Welcome back guys, and this is one of the most awaited video for a very long time. So the app is called Brokkr and it hands you all the ability of Odin on your Android device. Nothing to be specific as Samsung. You can download it and use it on any device. It's just you have to have a working OTG. So it gives you the ability to enable and disable auto reboot if your guide suggests you to do that. And you have this APBP and all sort of slots. So right now you see that the connected device is set to none. Now once I connect my device, which is in download mode, to my device over here, you see that it shows up at Samsung USB, which means that I've connected the Samsung device and it has successfully been connected. Now once that is done, I'll select my AP file, which is a custom kernel, and my user data file. Once that is done, I'll just simply start to flash. Now the flashing is being done and you don't have to worry about it. It's a working guide and the app is very reliable as Odin. Once that is done, I'll show you the proof that I'm going to restart my device and it boots up flawlessly. There is no problem in that. And if you like this guide, thank you for watching. I'll be coming up with next video how to use fast boot and ADB from other device. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.